Everybody says they're fast, well, we'll see. My deal is, I want to be at the same racetrack with the same cars. I don't give a damn what somebody ran at some racetrack and gives me a ticket. I don't care. I wasn't there. My car wasn't there. When my car's on the same grounds and I get outran, that's when I go to work. Today we're at Mooresville Dragway and we're here to test. It's not a new car. We bought a car, Jerry Bickle put it together. It was a long-time friend and customer, Dan Green, put a deal together and we're kind of co-owning the car right now. Dan's excited, Lizzie's excited. It's a really good car. It's got a lot of history. We're gonna really turn the motor down today. Just let Lizzie get comfortable and hopefully everything will go well. So now we're gonna go warm the car up. Lizzie will get ready to make her first burnout on a new set of tires. We have 2 sets of new tires that we want to scuff in. So when we get to Norwalk, we're ready to start testing on Thursday. We're going out there to do that. Now let's see how it all goes. We made our first 2 burnouts. Everything went well. The car made straight burnouts. But as you've seen, Lizzie couldn't back up. So this is why we test. We had a bad solenoid in our trans brake, which wouldn't activate it. So we've addressed it. Somebody's gonna leave from Tutero, which is a great company, tie drive, that builds the tie drives for us. He's gonna send Denise down with the parts. She'll be here in an hour. We're gonna fix it and we're gonna go out and do it. But these are the things that will cost you a day of testing. That's why we're here. But everything went well. Motor ran good. She's comfortable in the car. She can see out the car. She's ready. The next run, she'll make 2 more burnouts, but we'll actually make a 60-foot hit. It's only sprayed 60 feet. We don't wanna go much farther. We're just trying to see if the nitrous comes on, if it shifts, and just go far enough to know that everything is working correctly and Lizzie's comfortable. This is kind of behind the scenes of what it takes to race one of these cars. You just can't go out and hot dog it, you're gonna do it. We're pretty confident of what we can do, but anything can go wrong. Mike is working. But only she can hear me on both.
Oh, she cannot answer back.
She can't answer back on this. If you need to call me, I'll argue with him. Call me. So guys, now we accomplished what we set out for. We made 2 burnouts and Lizzie got to actually stage the car, let the button go. We reviewed the data. We're done. We're packing up. We got everything accomplished we needed to do. Took a little bit of time because we had the issue with the trans. We did everything we needed to do today. So when we hit the ground Thursday, we hit the ground running. And we can go run, but the car was flawless. It left, you know, I mean, it's not a national event prep, but Donnie Gibbs did a great job at Mooresville Dragway. First time we've run a car with that kind of power there. It ran really well. The car went straight. We don't need any rear steer adjustments. Data looks great. We're ready to load up. We're headed to Norwalk, but we are gonna make a stop at Robert Hayes. Everybody's asking, they think that car was the new no prep car. There is a new prep car in the works. We're about a month away. We're not gonna rush. We're gonna go to Columbus with the aftershock car. But when I tell you, it will probably be the nicest no prep car out there, it will. One thing about me is I don't leave my building unless I think I can win. Look, everybody's trying to win. Anything can happen. It's racing. You gotta have enough confidence and enough equipment and the attitude that you're going. We always leave to win. We're not leaving to be friends with anybody and have dinner and qualify. I've never raced like that. I always go out thinking I can win the event.